Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to connect two computers using AnyDesk. So this video covers how to download AnyDesk, how to install AnyDesk, and how to connect two computers using AnyDesk. Now with the help of AnyDesk, you can remotely access anybody's computer from anywhere in the world. So you can even operate it, make some changes, download, and any other changes that you need to make on a particular computer. So you go to your browser and type AnyDesk. Click enter. Now you click on the first option showing anydesk.com. So you click on it. So at the top right corner, you'll see a download now button. You click on it. Now you'll see another download button here. Now you click on it. As you can see, our file is downloading. Now once it's downloaded, you click on this icon here, this open icon. You click on it. Or if you don't see it there, you just go to your downloads and you double click on the file you just downloaded. Now you click on install AnyDesk on this device. Click on accept and install. Click yes. If it will bring up an option for you to click yes to install the file, so you click on yes. So after clicking on yes, another window is going to come up. You click on install. So after installing, this is the welcome page. So if you want to start a new connection, you just click on this plus icon, or you can close the app and open it again. So click on this plus icon. So once you click on the plus icon, you are going to see this interface here, and this is the number. Like if you want anybody to remotely access your device, this is the number you are going to copy and send to them. You understand? And if you want to connect to anybody's PC remotely, this is the number they are going to send to you, and you enter this enter remote address here and paste it and hit enter. So that's that. So this is how you can connect two laptops or two computers AnyDesk. For example, let's assume this laptop is in a different location and this laptop is in a different location. Now if you want to access this laptop from a different location using this laptop, here's what you do. The both of you open your AnyDesk. They open their AnyDesk and copy this number you are seeing on the screen here, your address. They will copy it and send it over to you. You, on the other hand, you are going to go to your own AnyDesk. Click on this enter remote address showing here. Enter it. So you click on it and then you type the address they sent to you. So 206.701.083. 206.701.083. So once that is done, you hit enter. It's going to show connecting. Now on the other hand, this second PC is going to receive a notification that this so user is trying to access his computer. So what you need to do is to click on accept. As you can see, the accept and the dismiss button is right here. So you click on accept. So once you click on accept, immediately you are going to see the person's screen appear on your own screen. So from here you can start operating the person's laptop, as you can see. So any action you do here is going to reflect on the second PC. Can you see that? So you can remotely access their PC and then make any changes you want to make. If this helps, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.